Aw, such a tiny little flip phone by Samsung. Ew. All the little rubber things on the ends just melted. It doesn't seem to work. Wonder how old this thing is. Seems pretty old. Come on, where's my phone calls? I'm supposed to make some awesome calls. How cheap, I can just rip it apart with my bare hands. Wow, there goes the battery. I hope it got me ripping it apart with my hands just in frame because I'm such a good cameraman. Oh, there goes the tiny little screen. Gotta love this deluxe keypad. And still press the buttons, that's not good. Ah, that's what happens behind the scenes. All the buttons just getting ripped to shreds. Don't you just love when cell phones are so cheap that you can just rip it apart with your bare hands?